What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about this beautiful first for us here, 2021 Toyota Hybrid RAV4 XLE Premium. So not only is it a 2021, it's the XLE Premium, which is a new model for us in the hybrid lineup. We did offer an XLE Premium for both the 19 and 2020 model years, but not on the hybrid trim. So I want to go over kind of the differences with this one and what makes it unique. When I first saw this one in our new car staging area just off the transport truck, I thought it was a limited because we have the same wheels as our hybrid limited, 18-inch alloys. Up front we've got fog lights and the nice LED headlights that you'd expect on an XLE or above trim hybrid RAV4 already. It's a hybrid, so of course we got that the blue on our Toyota emblem to let you know, as well as the hybrid emblem. This one also has the emblem blackout package. This paint color is called Ruby Flare. I don't think I've done a video about it yet, but I drive this same vehicle, except I kind of had to make it an XLE Premium myself by adding aftermarket leather. I also changed out the wheels. I'll do a video about that when I hit 10,000 miles to kind of give you an update of what it's really like to own one of these. We'll take a look at the options here and the window sticker. Again, 2021 Ruby Flare. This one's built 100% in Japan. Optional items, we've got the premium grade weather package, blackout emblems, roof rack crossbars. So glad to have the wildfire smoke at least tamed down a bit by this change in weather. Stepping into the vehicle, of course we got advanced keyless entry, a full power driver's seat, but because it's a premium, we also have memory seating. Of course, all your power options here, automatic high beams, windshield wiper de-icer grid, heated steering wheel, and a power rear liftgate. This is a look at the black leather you're gonna get with that premium package. Basically now the difference between this XLE Premium and a limited is gonna be the perforated leather you're gonna get for the available cooled seats on the limited. Heated front seats, your traction control off. Here's your different drive modes. You've got Eco, Normal, Sport, EV mode, as well as Trail mode. Taking a look at the rear of the vehicle, we've got your cargo cover back here, easily removable. Your all-weather rear cargo tray. We do have additional storage down below with your spare tire as well. We hop in the car and turn it on. Here's where things get a little interesting. This one does not have the upgraded audio package, so it still has the same screen as our LE base model RAV4. That is still going to give you backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth for cell phone, as well as your Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. So we've got lane departure warning, lane trace assist, adaptive cruise control. Here is your mode button, take you from AM to FM satellite radio. Power tilt slide moonroof. Super nice car, new for 2021. If you're in the market for one of these, I'd love to help you out. You can reach me directly through my website, OregonCarSource.com. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Have a great day.